What if Toyota, the brand synonymous with legendary reliability and innovation, decided to create the ultimate luxury motor? Imagine their cutting-edge automotive design combined with organic flowing architecture, all finished in stunning candy apple red that glows like molten metal. The 2026 Toyota Grand Cruiser Motorhome has arrived, and it's absolutely spectacular. Welcome back to Dream Drive Homes, where we showcase the most extraordinary luxury motorhomes and mobile mansions from around the world. Today, we have something truly special that represents Toyota entering the ultra-luxury motorhome market in the most dramatic way possible. This is the 2026 Toyota Grand Cruiser Motorhome, and it combines everything Toyota is famous for with jaw-dropping design that will leave you speechless. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because you don't want to miss incredible content like this. Drop a comment below and tell us what you think of Toyota's bold entry into luxury motor. And let's explore every amazing detail of this incredible vehicle. The Toyota Grand Cruiser Motorhome makes an absolutely unforgettable first impression with its stunning exterior. That looks more like rolling sculpture than a traditional recreational vehicle. The entire body is finished in a breathtaking candy apple red that must be seen in person. To truly appreciate the depth and richness of the color, this isn't ordinary automotive paint. This is a multi-layered finish with specialized color coats and crystal clear protective layers, creating incredible visual depth that makes the vehicle appear to glow from within. The red catches and reflects light in mesmerizing ways, seeming almost alive as it mirrors the surrounding environment with near mirror-like clarity. Achieving this level of paint perfection requires meticulous surface preparation, climate-controlled application, multiple wet sanding stages between coats, and extensive final polishing to bring out maximum brilliance and depth. Truly sets the Grand Cruiser apart and makes it instantly recognizable are the extraordinary organic circular windows flowing across the body in carefully orchestrated patterns inspired by natural forms. These aren't conventional rectangular RV windows. They're sculptural design elements that transform the entire motorhome into three-dimensional mobile art. The circular openings vary dramatically in size, from quite small accent windows to impressively large portals, arranged in flowing clusters that create visual rhythm and balance, reminiscent of bubbles floating through the air. Cellular structures viewed under microscope magnification, or perhaps organic patterns found in coral formations or honeycomb structures. Each individual circular window is precisely framed with polished trim that contrasts beautifully against the red body, and the cumulative visual effect created by dozens of these circular elements distributed across the exterior surfaces is absolutely captivating. Your eye naturally follows these flowing patterns around the vehicle, constantly discovering new relationships and perspectives from different viewing angles. The arrangement isn't random, but carefully designed to create visual harmony while ensuring interior spaces receive natural light and outward views from strategic locations. The windows appear to flow and cascade across the body like water droplets, frozen mist, creating movement and energy, even when the vehicle sits completely still. The cab section features Toyota's contemporary design language with their distinctive front grille treatment rendered in black with chrome accents. Immediately identifying this as a Toyota creation, the grille features an aggressive angular pattern that's both functional for cooling and striking as a design element. Sophisticated LED headlight assemblies flank the grille with complex internal structures featuring multiple light sources, projector lenses, and carefully engineered reflectors providing exceptional illumination for safe night driving. While looking absolutely stunning during daylight hours, the headlights feature distinctive daytime running light signatures that make the vehicle instantly recognizable from a distance. The overall cab design balances Toyota's automotive aesthetic with aerodynamic efficiency, featuring carefully shaped surfaces that guide airflow smoothly to reduce drag and improve fuel economy. Large windows provide excellent visibility for the driver, while chrome and black accents add visual interest. The integration between cab and trailer section is seamless, with the candy apple red finish flowing continuously from front to back, creating perfect visual unity. The proportions are impressive, clearly indicating substantial interior volume and multi-level living spaces within. The motorhome rides on dual rear axles with advanced suspension systems, designed to provide smooth, comfortable rides while handling the weight of a fully equipped luxury home on wheels. gold or bronze-toned. Accent stripes flow along the body, adding additional visual interest and luxury appeal, creating horizontal lines that emphasize the length while complementing those circular windows. Chrome trim pieces, accent windows, and body lines. Polished wheels feature intricate multi-spoke designs, and every detail demonstrates the quality and attention to finish that Toyota is famous for worldwide. The overall aesthetic is futuristic, yet organic, bold, yet refined, creating something that stands out dramatically from conventional motorhome designs. Stepping inside the Toyota Grand Cruiser Motorhome reveals interior spaces that continue the theme of organic flowing design combined with contemporary e-luxury and Toyota's legendary attention to quality and detail. Natural light floods through those distinctive circular windows, creating dynamic patterns that change throughout the day as the sun moves across the sky. The windows can likely be dimmed using electrochromic glass technology or covered with integrated shade systems for privacy when desired. The interplay of natural light streaming through these organic circular openings creates an ever-changing interior atmosphere that makes the space feel genuinely alive and connected to the surrounding environment. The interior design philosophy likely combines contemporary residential aesthetics with Toyota's automotive design language, using premium materials throughout and executing every detail with the precision and quality control Toyota has perfected over decades of manufacturing. The color palette probably incorporates warm, neutral tones, accented by that candy apple red, appearing strategically as accent colors, along with premium leathers, carefully selected wood veneers, polished metals, and quality fabrics, creating an environment of refined luxury with Japanese influences, emphasizing clean lines, quality materials, and thoughtful design. The main living area features open concept design with distinct functional zones flowing together seamlessly. The kitchen showcases high-quality appliances, appropriate for a luxury motorhome, including full-size refrigeration, professional-grade cooking equipment with multiple burners and convection oven capabilities, powerful ventilation managing cooking odors and heat, and premium countertops in natural stone or engineered materials. Custom cabinetry provides abundant storage with soft close mechanisms ensuring quiet operation. Interior organization systems keeping everything accessible and tidy. And finishes in quality woods or contemporary laminates. A kitchen island or peninsula provides additional workspace and storage while serving as a natural gathering point for social interaction. The dining area features a table, seating 6 or more with upholstered seating, providing comfort during meals or work sessions. The table design might incorporate innovative features like adjustable height, extension capabilities, or even transformation into alternative configurations. Maximizing versatility, strategic positioning near circular windows ensures dining experiences accompanied by natural light and views. The lounge area features comfortable seating with premium upholstery, built-in heating and cooling for climate comfort, and possibly massage functions for relaxation. Entertainment systems include large high-definition displays, premium audio with strategically positioned speakers, and connectivity for all modern streaming services and devices. Smart home technology allows intuitive control of lighting, climate, entertainment, window shades, and other systems through voice commands or smartphone applications. Sleeping quarters include a master suite positioned to maximize those incredible circular window views while providing private retreat atmosphere. A queen or king-size bed features premium mattress technology with multiple support zones for optimal sleep comfort. Dressed in quality linens with high thread counts, the organic exterior design creates unique interior spaces with curved walls, adding character and intimacy. Custom closet systems provide organized storage for clothing and personal items with LED lighting, illuminating interiors automatically. A private vanity area offers space for grooming with quality lighting and mirror placement. The master bathroom features a spacious shower with multiple shower heads and body jets, premium fixtures throughout, heated floors for comfort, and finishes in quality materials like stone or designer tiles, creating spa-like atmosphere. Additional sleeping areas accommodate guests or family members while maintaining quality standards throughout. Technology integration includes comprehensive climate control, managing temperature and humidity in multiple zones with advanced air filtration, ensuring clean, healthy air Vehicle management systems monitor all chassis and house systems, presenting information on intuitive displays and alerting to anything requiring attention. Connectivity systems, including cellular boosters and possibly satellite internet, ensure you stay connected wherever travels take you. Power systems combine roof-mounted solar panels, generating electricity during daylight. Advanced lithium battery banks storing energy, and generator backup managed by intelligent software optimizing efficiency. Water systems feature substantial freshwater capacity with advanced filtration making any source safe for consumption. Along with efficient waste management for extended off-grid capability, storage throughout includes numerous compartments, closets, and specialized solutions, ensuring proper places for everything. External storage bays accessed from outside provide space for outdoor equipment and gear without impacting interior living areas. The driving experience in the Toyota cab combines reliability Toyota is famous for with modern driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, assistance, collision warning, and avoidance, and other features, making long-distance travel safer and less fatiguing. What makes the Toyota Grand Cruiser Motorhome truly special is how it represents Toyota, bringing their legendary quality, reliability, and innovation to the luxury motorhome market with truly bold and distinctive design. This isn't a conservative, safe approach. This is Toyota making a dramatic statement with sculptural beauty and flowing organic design that challenges conventions. The circular windows aren't just unusual, they're genuinely beautiful and create unique interior experiences. The candy apple red finish isn't subtle, it's confident and eye-catching. This motorhome appeals to buyers who want Toyota reliability and quality combined with genuinely distinctive design that stands apart from everything else on the road. If the Toyota Grand Cruiser Motorhome has captured your imagination, make sure you're subscribed to Dream Drive Homes so you never miss our coverage of incredible luxury motorhomes. Hit that like button if you appreciate this bold design approach from Toyota. Share this video with fellow enthusiasts and automotive fans. Tell us in the comments whether you'd choose the Grand Cruiser for your dream mobile lifestyle and where you'd take it first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we continue exploring the most amazing luxury vehicles in the world.